Welcome back, everybody. What I'm going to show you today is the LattePanda Delta. Very nice computer. It's a single board computer and it has a lot of nice specs on it. It can run Windows 10. It can run Linux. It has a actually Intel Celeron processor. It has a nice GPU for graphics under Intel. It has HDMI and it does 4K. It also comes with a 4 gig RAM DDR4. There is also a memory module built into it, which is the 32 gig eMMC. You can also add the M.2 memory modules for the SSDs. It has the wireless, the new wireless on it. It also has Bluetooth 5. It has a gigabit of connection. It has USB 3 ports and one USB 3 C port. It has audio for microphones, headphones. It also has all the I/O pins, and you can also, I think it's added onto it, I'm not sure, I have to look at it again, or you can add one. It also has the AT which is the Adreno controller built into it. So it's a great little package. It's a little expensive, but you can do a lot with it. So this is what it comes in, and we're going to take this out and look at it today. And this is what you get with it. You get the manual with it, which explains things. This is the actual size of it. It's in a plastic to protect it. So we're going to open this up. And there's what the board looks like. It's already got a built-in fan. It's got all the I/O ports on here. Actually GPIO ports. You got here your C, your microphone and headphone, your gigabit port. This is your HDMI port. Over here we've got different, we have the reset switch right here. On this side there's your 3 ports for the USB 3. On the back side, which is really nice, we have here this little guy right here happens to be for your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. There's your SD card slot. This right here is the onboard SSDs to hold some of the information. These 2 slots here are your M2 slots, so that you put M2 cards in, and it already has the screws in here so that you take them out, lock them down, and so that would be all of your, basically what we call hard drive memory, except for its SSD, so it works very fast. And it has a lot of other connectors for different things, such as touch screen, display. So this little board, it's kind of expensive, but it's got a lot to it, and it does a lot of nice things. So you get that in the box, and then you get standoffs for it. And there's your antennas for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And they give you power cable. And they give you the power adapter to come with it. So that's all set up, and you got everything you need to get it going. So what we're going to do is we're going to move this out of the way, and we're going to take and move these guys for now out of the way. And what we're going to do is I'm going to set this up, and I turned around and bought a case for it. And this is the case that they make for it, which is a nice case. And I like some of them cases, some of them I don't. So as you can see here, this is a metal case. So very nice. Everything's set up to where it should be. Here's your little push thing for your power, which will go to your power button here. So basically, we'll show you how to put this together. It's a very nice project. I like these guys. I use them a lot for different things. Again, they have enough power to do a lot of different stuff. So let's get this case open here. And that's a little tricky, so we'll have to kind of pull that out, pop it, and there you go. Here's your screws and your little foots that they have in here for it. And what we're going to do is we're going to take out our bigger screwdriver here, because sometimes I like to use that with the stuff. And we'll put it right there. And what we're going to do is take the screws out, and we're going to open this up. And what's nice is this is a static mat, anti-static mat. It's also great because when you solder stuff or whatever, it doesn't burn. So what you're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to, let's see here, I got to figure out where are the little pins for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. They might be on the bottom. Maybe. A little kind of hard to see. Nope. It's got to be up here somewhere. Just not seeing it. Here's your fan connector. And okay, well, let me look at this one more time. And usually you see little round circles somewhere where the pins connect. So we'll figure this out in a minute. It's a little hard to find because they're very, very small. And I must be going blind. There's your USB, your touchscreen. They usually mark it all pretty good. And let's see, is it near the Wi-Fi? No. Let's see the top part again. No, not there. Not there. It's kind of hard to find. Okay, well, that's strange. Let's see what this is here. Okay, I'm back. Looks like they changed the design a little bit. They showing that there's supposed to be two, and then they sit there and state that there's only one. So, oops. Anyways, so we got this in here. The antenna is on the bottom, and I have already bolted it into the case. Make sure it all looks good. It looks good there, looks good there. So now what we do is we just take the top piece here, make sure all that's lined up, and spread it apart a little bit. And then what it does is it just kind of clips right into these little pads here. So we're going to turn around and kind of get these there, there, and there and there. So that's pretty much it. That's how you put that together. So it has a lot of nice vent holes. Again, it gives you the different pinouts on here. So these are the Arduino pinouts, because it has also a built-in Arduino besides being kind of a Pi design. Here's the pins for a real-time clock. Here's your little metal plate that you push, which will actually push the little button inside of there, which will power it. And we got on this side where, again, you can see they're just kind of showing the edge here. I can try to show you where it allows you to bring the touch connector out, display connector out, and right there is your micro USB. It doesn't kind of look right, but we'll see. Looks like this one was made off a little bit, or let's see here. Let me open this a little more. Yeah, that doesn't look right. This is the way the case goes. I don't know why they did that, but let's see. Yep, there it is. Micro USB is on this side. Kind of odd. But, oh well. They didn't make this quite the way they should have. So we'll have to, again, talk to the manufacturer on that and figure out why that's designed like that. It looks like it's, oh, yeah, that's fine. I had it backwards. Hate when that happens. So let's try this again. There we go. Now it looks right. Real-time clock. Arduino pinouts. Okay, there's your voltage in, control. Yeah, there we go. It helped to put it in the right way. And that is this way you can actually see these better. So, my little mistake, but hey, it happens. We all learn. Here's your USB-C, audio, Ethernet, HDMI. Your three USB 3.0. And basically that's it. And this is it in the case to protect it. And what I'm going to do is on the next video, I'm going to show you basically we're going to hook it up and we're going to put some software on it and we're going to run it and show everybody how it works. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, and don't forget to watch the next video on this.